those few buyers that pop out, treat them like gold. They're the ones. This is what you're after. In fact, do I have another color? Come on, put some more color in here. Boop, 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 boop. Let's get some more attention to this. Okay, once you get there, once you get to a buyer's list, that's where it's game over. This is where you spend the majority of your value energy exchange, is with your buyers. The whole goal of what you're really doing all of this for is to build this as big as you can. Now, I don't care where this is. This could be on High Level, a software we teach to build a list. It could be inside of Kartra, which I just showed you. It can be on in Gmail. It could be in Gmail. You can literally create Google contacts and have a Google contact. It can be on your phone. Every time someone buys, you can collect a text message. You can have you can have their contacts. It could be in your email, Gmail. It could be in a Facebook group. It can be, I don't care what you could be in a Rolodex,